So my DStv video, I got a lot of comments from people asking what they could do if they don't have a DStv account or a DStv decoder. I also got people who wanted to buy my DStv account, and then people who wanted me to give them my account for free. Weird. Well, yeah, this video should be of help. Today, we're talking about Showmax. Now, Showmax is owned by MultiChoice, which also owns DStv. So what they basically did was they took some live sport channels, Super Sport, and then some other shows and movies, and then they put them all in an app and called it Showmax. So yes, you can now watch live Premier League games, live Champions League games, La Liga games, Serie A games, UEFA Conference League games. You can now watch live football and other sports on the go. So all you have to do is head over to your Play Store or Apple App Store, search up Showmax, download it. Once you open the app, you want to sign up, create an account, and it's pretty simple. You just input your email address and you create a password, and then this part is optional, but you can add your phone number. Once you do that, it takes you to the next page, which is where you select your plans. Now you actually want to pay attention here. Okay, so there are two major categories. We have all devices and mobile devices. So mobile devices, that's just your phone and your tablet. And then all devices, that's your phone, your tablet, your laptop, your smart TV, maybe your Xbox. So under each main category, there are subcategories or the plans. So for all devices, we have Showmax and Showmax Pro. And then for mobile devices, we have Showmax Mobile and Showmax Pro Mobile. Now, if you want to watch live sports, that's Premier League games, Champions League games, all that, you have to go with the Pro. So whether you're going for all devices or just mobile devices, you have to go with the Pro. Okay, so if you're trying to pick between going with all devices or just mobile devices, here are some differences. So with mobile devices, you can only watch on your phone and your tablet, like I mentioned earlier. You can also only have one stream and your account registered to just one device. But if you're going with the all devices, then you get 2 streams at the same time, as well as 5 registered devices. Also, the max streaming quality on mobile would be 720p, but on all devices, it's going to be 1080p. Now, of course, the all devices category or plan is more expensive. I think it costs 6,300, while the mobile devices one goes for 3,200. So yeah, once you select your plan, you then just choose your form of payment, and that's it. You can now watch your Premier League games and your Champions League games on your mobile device or TV. And yeah, there are some disadvantages too. Like if you go with the mobile devices package, then yeah, max streaming quality, max at 720p. It's good enough, but I guess if you want higher resolution, you gotta pay more. We also have the problem of your mobile network. That's not on them, that's really on your mobile network. So yeah, you gotta have a good steady internet connection in order to avoid buffering over and over again. But aside from that, I think it's pretty good. Like, it's a way to save money, because there are some people who don't watch all the channels that DStv provides, just Major League Sports. So if you're that type of person, then that's another way where you could save money. Oh yeah, of course, if you have any questions, just ask. I'm in the comments, I would answer everything. Normally on the channel, we don't make this type of content, but this kind of spreads information, and it's an app, so it kind of relates to tech. But yeah, if you notice in the video, we were using a phone. That phone is the Tecno Camon 18 Premier, and we actually reviewed it on the channel. So if you want to, watch that too, it's right here. You can click there. Thank you for watching. Now I'll see you when you see it.